Hey, we are in Toronto City in Canada. I'm leaving for Niagara Falls. And yes, we are in front of CN Tower. It's 530 meters, so it's quite tall. And yes, Niagara Falls is like, very famous waterfalls in the world, bordering between US and Canada. So let's go. Here we go, and it's quite cold. Actually, it's extremely cold. It's around minus 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. But yes, it's amazing. It's you cannot just I don't have words to express. And yes, you can see the US from here as well. Like it's around 600 meters. So just enjoy the view. It's amazing. I've never seen such beautiful waterfalls like this. In summer season, we can do boating here as well. And I think it's quite convenient to come in summer also because it's not much cold. You can enjoy more, and it will be bigger. The falls will be much bigger. The place is already cold, and when it snow, it kills you. I mean, it's much more colder. And yes, very less crowd because of the cold. But I think it's quite pretty, right? Just let me know if it's pretty. I think you can see the US from here. That's the bridge. It's just around 600 meters, so I think it's interesting.